Okay, Tisha, how you're going to do this is you'll go into your section that says grades over here, okay? So then you should get this and see how I've done all these, all right? And that gives me 62.5, but it shows me chapter 2 is missing. So had I scored a 10 on that, or this one that's due, was due last Sunday, see how that increases it? Look, all right? So let's say I didn't do those. So this would be my grade, but this is called the what if feature. So what if I get that? And right now, I don't have all the, but look at that. I got a 30 on this paper that's due on Sunday, but even if I get a 20, look, that drops me down to 75, and let's say I only get a 6 on that quiz. Drops me to, and I've missed, 1, 2, 3 assignments, and I'm still at a 71. Now let's say I only get a 15 on this paper. I only get half. See, that drops me down to 64. So you can go in and do these. What if I had turned this quiz in, or paper in, that quiz, look, it brought me back up to 76. Okay, so just kind of keep that in mind. That's how you can tell. And I cannot give you a guarantee that you will pass this class. It's just impossible for me. There's no guarantee that you will pass any class without doing the work. You must do the work. All right? I know you're behind a lot. Now this is for mine, for the test grades for test student. Okay, that's just for me. You have to go in on your part of it that has your part where it has grades. Okay? Let me see. Oops, sorry. See if I would leave this. I'll quickly do this. If I do grades. And we kind of go in here and play with yours. Okay, see if you, let's see what happens if it will allow me. I don't know if it will allow me. Yeah, it won't allow me to do yours. You have to go in and do it. Okay, let's see. If you had done this paper, yeah, it won't allow me to do yours. Okay, but it shows that you were at 67.29 right now. So get this paper that's due by Sunday done. All right. I think, let's see, what's this? -6, yeah, close that. Okay, so let me go back to my settings and I'll show you again on mine with the student view. Okay, so I'm going to click on grades. This is going to come up this is just my test student. I have this person so I can show students. This is not a real student. All right. And then, like this one, if I had turned on this one, put in a grade in there. Put in, what happens if you had gotten a 7 on that quiz. And just put in, what if I only get 10 on this paper? Okay, that drops me down to 67.4, which is similar to yours. But now let's say I get a 15 on there. That brings me up to a C. See why these are so important? Because they can change so rapidly. They can change that grade so rapidly. All right? So, and if I don't get a paper turned in, I think you got a 6 on this, so I'll try to match that. See how it's dropping me? So you want to be sure to get this paper in by Sunday at 11:59. Do not miss these case analysis papers. Okay? Hope this helps. But talk to your counselor. I can't give you any guarantees that you will pass. Right? It just depends on what scores you get, like in the quizzes, our test, our midterm is coming up, so it just all depends. Okay?